Goals. Now, I'm not talking goals like this.
Going all the way! What a brilliant goal!
I'm talking goals that you can set for your channel this year. This is probably one of those videos I should have made at the start of this year, or maybe the start of next year. But I was thinking, why shouldn't I now? Why shouldn't I have goals for the rest of the year? Hey YouTube, how's it going? My name is JamesMHodges, welcome back to the channel. And what do you want to achieve this year? Now, this is only going to be a quick video because not only is it here to encourage you guys to set goals for yourselves, it's also for me to set goals for myself. So I want to make this short and sweet so I have something to look back on at the end of this year or the start of next year. Why are goals a good thing? So I found if you actually take the time to put these goals together, you're more likely to hit them because it gives you something to go for. Not only is it a goal that you can aim for, it can also be something that your viewers can help you with. So let your viewers know what your goals are. I actually remember when Connor and I were trying to reach 1,000 subscribers on this channel. We made it very clear to our viewers that that was our goal, and well, look at this.
Yes! You know, don't unsubscribe yes. Yet. Now celebrate for a little bit. Then
oh my god, 1001!
Yes! Yes, we've done it. Come on! We hit the milestone.
Yes, thank you so much, guys. Mate, 1004, mate. What? Mate, finally, we've done it.
We've hit it. 7.
That there was the amazing effort from our viewers, our friends, helping us and pushing us to reach that goal. Honestly, it was the best. It was the best feeling. Now you might be thinking to yourself, 1,000 subscribers, meh, that's nothing. Or you might even be thinking 1,000 subscribers, I've only just started. That is too high of a goal for me to reach right now. So you need to make sure that your goals are achievable. You obviously don't want to be setting yourself a goal of hitting a Twitch partner or getting 100 million subscribers on YouTube within a week. You want to set smaller, achievable goals that you can maybe hit in like a month or two. You should focus your goals on things like this: creating new content for multiple platforms, or setting something up for your next stream, like I need to create a new host notification for Twitch, or something as simple as keeping your streaming schedule. Being able to hit these goals not only gives you a great sense of accomplishment, but it gives you motivation to set new goals and hit new targets. So I said at the start of the video, this video is also for me. What are my goals for this year? So at the moment, I just have 4 goals I would kind of like to hit. So these are those. Goal 1, keep uploading to this channel consistently. Now, if you've been with me for a while now, you know I have a tendency to disappear for a few months. That needs to stop. Goal 2 is to go to more events, whether that be a YouTube event or a Twitch event. Just go to more events, learn as much as I can, and obviously pass that information on to you guys. And then I can make like friends. Goal 3 is to hit 100 followers on Twitch and 5,000 subscribers on this channel. Now, as it is nearly the end of this year, that might be one that falls into next year. Goal 4 is to keep to my streaming schedule. You know what? I would love to hear about your goals as well. So if you have any, let me know in the comment section down below. And actually, you guys can help me with my goals by checking out my Twitch channel. I stream every Monday, a Wednesday and Friday, and any days I can in between. The link will be in the description below. I really hope you enjoyed this short video, guys. And if you are able to take anything from it, let me know by hitting that thumbs up button. And I'll see you all in the next one. Oh, my stuff.